Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Ministry of Education and Partners COVID-19 Teaching by Radio program. The Ministry of Education and Partners COVID-19 Teaching by Radio program is a 30-minute radio intervention support program that is meant to provide continuous instruction to keep you academically engaged during this stay-at-home period, as well as preparing you, our 6th, 9th, and 12th graders for the pending Liberia Primary School Certificate Exam, Liberia Junior High School Certificate Exam, and West Africa Senior Secondary Certificate Exam when the time comes. Also, in addition to this academic support, the program is meant to provide psychosocial support for learners, teachers, and parents, and also tips on how you as parents and teachers can provide support to your students and children at home. Now, let's join our teacher for today's lesson.
Hello, students, learners. I'm Amos Dido. Our subject today is mathematics for students of grade 10, and the topic is relations. I repeat, our subject today is mathematics for students of grade 10, and the topic is relations. Please take your pencil, pen, and copybook and get ready for today's lesson. Again, boys and girls, please take your pencil, pen, and copybook and get ready for today's lesson. Let's take a break and listen to a special COVID-19 health tips.
Coronavirus is spread via droplets. When the person coughs or sneezes, the droplets land on surfaces and are picked up on the hands of others and spread further. People catch the virus when they touch their infected hands to their mouth, nose, or eyes. It follows that the single most important thing you can do to protect yourself is keep your hands clean by washing them frequently with soap and water or hand sanitizer.
Welcome. Let's learn. Boys and girls, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to 1. Define relations, 2. Identify domain and range of a relations. Let's spell the word relation, boys and girls. Again, let's spell the word relations. R-E-L-A-T-I-O-N-S. Relations. Boys and girls, what do we mean by relations? A relation is a set of order pairs. A relation is a set of order pairs. Again, a relation is a set of order pairs. The order pairs are usually grouped with braces. The order pairs are usually grouped with braces. Boys and girls, any set of order pairs is possible for a relation. Again, boys and girls, any set of order pairs is possible for a relation. For example, any relation for order pairs could be 1, 5, 3, 9, 1, 7. The pairs are 1, 5, 3, 9, 1, 7. Boys and girls, another example: 5, 1, 3, -1, 6, 7. Any collection of number is a relation as long as that number comes in pairs. Again, boys and girls, any collection of number is a relation as long as that numbers come in pairs. Boys and girls, now that we understand what a relation is, let us look at 2 keywords that will closely support our topic, relations. I repeat, let us look at two key words that will closely support our topic, relations. Boys and girls, the two key words are domain and range. Now, boys and girls, let's spell the word domain. Again, let's spell the word domain. The word domain is spelled D-O-M-A-I-N, domain. Let's spell the next word, range. R-A-N-G-E, range. Give yourself a thunder, boys and girls, or a clap. Now that we can spell the words domain and range, let us define the words domain and range. First, let's begin with the word domain. Boys and girls, the domain is the pair of the first numbers in a pair of order pairs. I repeat, the domain is the pair of the first number in a pair of order pairs. Now let us define range. The range is the pair of the second numbers in a pair of order pairs. Again, boys and girls, the range is the pair of the second numbers in a pair of order pairs. Boys and girls, given the meaning of domain and range, let us look at some example for your understanding. Let us look again at relation, boys and girls. In a pair of 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, -1, and 1, 3. Boys and girls, I want you to identify the domain and range in these relations. Boys and girls, the domain of these relations are 2, 3, 4, and 1. All of these numbers come first in the set of pairs. All of these numbers come first in the set of pairs. The range of the relations are 8, 7, -1, and 3. Why, boys and girls? Because all comes second in the set of order pairs. Now let us do a problem together. Get your pen and paper ready, boys and girls. Listen to the instruction. The instruction is to identify the domain and range in these relations. Boys and girls, let's take a break and listen to a special COVID-19 health tips.
As part of the Ministry of Education continuation of learning in the wake of COVID-19, the ministry and partners have introduced teaching by radio on the following radio stations: ELBC, Truth FM, Fabric FM, ECOWAS Radio, ELWA, Cool FM, Tish FM, including various community radio stations. This is targeting students from early childhood education to 12th grade. The teaching will focus on 4 core subjects: language arts, mathematics, science, and social studies for students from grade 1 to 6, while students from grade 9 to 12 will have lessons mathematics, language arts, general science, and biology. Meanwhile, the ministry is encouraging students and parents to begin listening and participating in the various lessons on these radio stations over the next 6 weeks. We must arise to keep learning while at home.
A message from the Ministry of Education and Partners.
Welcome back, boys and girls. Are we ready? Let us begin. Identify the domain in the given set of order pairs. I read that again. Identify the domain in the given set of order pairs. Boys and girls, listen carefully as I read the set of order pairs. Pair A, 10, 11. Pair B, 14, 20. Pair C, 9, 23. Pair D, 18, 4. The questions. What is the domain of this relation? What is the range of this relation? The question again, boys and girls. 1. What is the domain of this relation? Number 2. What is the range of this relation? I know you have written your answer, boys and girls, but I want you to listen carefully as I read the correct answers. Question number 1. Pair A, 10, 11. The domain is 10. I repeat. Question number 1. Pair A, 10, 11. The domain is 10. Question number 2. Pair B, 14, 20. The domain is 14. Again, question number 2. Pair B, 14, 20. The domain is 14. Question number 3. Pair C, 9, 23. The domain is 9. Boys and girls, again, question number 3. Pair C, 9, 23. The domain is 9. Lastly, question number 4. Pair D, 8, 4. The domain is 18. I repeat. Question number 4. Pair D, 8, 18, 4. The domain is 18. Boys and girls, the answers provided are correct because they are the first number in each pair. Again, boys and girls, the answers provided are correct because they are the first numbers in each pair. Now, boys and girls, let us identify the range in the same full pair. Again, now, boys and girls, let us identify the range in the same full pairs. Boys and girls, listen carefully as I read these pairs again. Question 1. Pair A, 10, 11. What is the range in this pair? Question 2. Pair B, 14, 20. What is the range in this pair? Question number 3. Pair C, 9, 23. What is the range in this pair? Question number 4. Pair D, 18, 4. What is the range in this pair? Boys and girls, listen again as I go over these questions. Question number 1. Pair A, 10, 11. What is the range in this pair? Question number 2. Pair B, 14, 20. What is the range in this pair? Question number 3. Pair C, 9, 23. What is the range in this pair? And question number 4, pair D, 18, 4. What is the range in this pair? Boys and girls, let me give you a clue. Remember we said the range is the second number in a pair of other pairs. Again, boys and girls, remember we said the range is the second number in a pair of other pairs. Boys and girls, let's take a break and listen to a special COVID-19 health tips.
Coronavirus is spread via droplets. When the person coughs or sneezes, the droplets land on surfaces and are picked up on the hands of others and spread further. People catch the virus when they touch their infected hands to their mouth, nose, or eyes. It follows that the single most important thing you can do to protect yourself is keep your hands clean by washing them frequently with soap and water or hand sanitizer.
Okay, welcome, boys and girls. I know you have written your answers, but I want you to listen carefully as I read aloud the correct answers. Once again, boys and girls, I know you have written your answers, but I want you to listen carefully as I read aloud the correct answers. Question number 1. In pair A, 10, 11, the range is 11. In pair B, 14, 20, the range is 20. Again, question 2, in pair B, 14, 20, the range is 20. Question 3, in pair C, 9, 23, the range is 23. Again, boys and girls, question number 3, in pair C, 9, 23, the range is 23. Question number 4, in pair D, 18, 4, the range is 4. I repeat, question number 4, in pair D, 18, 4, the range is 4. Boys and girls, the answers provided are correct. Why? Because they are the second number in the pair. Boys and girls, remember, in our lesson today, we talk about domain and range for our topic relations. We said that the domain is the pair of the first number in a pair of other pairs, and the range is the pair of the second numbers in a pair of other pairs. I repeat, the domain is the pair of the first number in a pair of other pairs, and the range is the pair of the second number in a pair of other pairs. Remember, relation is the combination of the domain and the range. Again, remember, the relation is the combination of the domain and the range. Boys and girls, I want you to do more practices on domain and range. I told you that at the end of today's lesson, you were going to define relations and identify domain and range in a relations. In our next class, we will be discussing functions. Boys and girls, if you have questions or questions for clarity on the lesson presented, you can text it to the following number and we will answer them in our next class. The numbers are 0, 8, 8, 6, 5, 4, 9, 9, 5, 4. Again, 0886549954 or 0775964354. Again, 0775964354. Boys and girls, goodbye and thank you very much for learning through listening. Thank you very much for learning through teaching by radio.